Lagi namin itong nakikita, itong Samudra Hotel fish curry meal. So, dito kami ngayon mag-lunch. Yan na yung dalawa. We are going to eat. What are we going to eat?
Fish and rice.
Fish and rice.
We
We are waiting for our order.
later po mga fish and my rice.
Okay. We have ordered fish tani. Parang meal siya with fish, rice.
I order fish and rice.
Okay. Spicy fish or not? Little spicy. Little, okay. So we are just waiting for our order. We are here at Samudra Family Restaurant.
My two hands.
That's why this is called Samudra Family Restaurant. Seafood restaurant. Merong kasamang roti. This is fish gravy. We have fried fish. This one is parang dusa siya na malambot. And this is fried fish. Itong gustong-gusto naming fried fish nung nasa Bagal Court kami. Ito merong beetroot and chickpeas. This is prawns. This is prawns, han? Prawns masala. Achar or mango pickle. This one, hindi ako sigurado. Yung maliliit na shrimp siguro ito. We have sambar and rice. So, ito yung aming fish meal. Like the fish? Paborito yan fish. And you can eat with the rice. You eat with rice. Eat. There is bones there. Okay. You want spoon? Okay. I'll put rice here.
Yeah. It's the fish.
Careful. You put the bones. But maybe it's spicy. You want to try?
No.
Be careful. There is bones there. Check first if there's
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine.
And this is our after. Umorder ba kami ng isa pang additional na fish dito kanina. Kasi yung isang isda kanina sa plato ko, si Mishka lang yung umubos. So, 3 fish yung naubos namin. Was it a satisfying lunch? Huh? It's good, no? Dito lang to malapit sa bus stand. Ayan yung restaurant sa first floor. Ito yung bus stand. Tapos yung bahayan siya na. Lapit na. some more grass. Go.
Lelo. Lelo food. Lelo. Lelo food.
And just hold it. Okay, touch. Try. Try to touch the goat. Ooh.
Watch. He go.
He doesn't like that grass, Mimi. This grass only love. Yeah.
He go. Lelo.
Okay.
Eat.
Ah, good job. One more.
Eat. Food.
Goat, Mr. Goat. Say Mr.
Mr. Goat. Oh my God, hala from iya and oh my God, hala. I don't know his name.
Mr. Goat.
Goat. Eat. I give you some glass. Eat. That's it. It's okay. Don't be shy.
Put it near his mouth. Let him see that. He can't see you're holding grass. Yay! Good job! Huh? Let's go. Mayroong temple pala dito. We haven't been here to this side. Ngayon pa lang kami pumunta dito. Gala-gala lang sana yung sa amin, guys. Tapos meron kaming nakitang temple dito. Wait, I'll show you. Ha? Yeah. There's a temple. It's closed or what? No one is here. Walang tao dito. Merong isang auntie dyan. O siguro nakatira dyan. Pero walang bumibisita dito. Let's go. Ayan yung temple. Come. Dito kami ngayon napadpad sa taas ng bundok. Ang ganda ng view dito, guys. Ito, yung mga buildings na yan, ano to, yung medical college. Yan sa tuktok din yan ng bundok. Tapos, itong sa harap namin.
Mommy,
Huh?
can I marry you?
You don't marry me. Only daddy can marry me. Okay.
Take is
Thank you.
wait a minute.
Tapos, ito namang isa, Madikeri Prison yan. Pero yung view, tingnan nyo. Oh, ang ganda.
Daddy, mommy.
How many times I marry your mommy? Again?
You tell him what to do. He doesn't know what to do.
What to do, baby?
Can I marry you?
Mommy, can I marry you, mommy?
Yes, daddy.
Mommy say yes. Say fine.
Kilig na kilig yung anak namin.
Come on, don't go this side.
Ang ganda ng view talaga. Flower show ata ito, guys. Hindi lang namin mabasa yung lingwahe nila kasi nasa Canada. Sally. Oh. Oh. Oh no.
You think mommy can win, Mishka? Wow. Second round.
You want?
No, it's okay. Mommy got 2 tries.
This is date? No?
Organic farming.
Oh wow! Look at this orange. Huh? Galanda. Flower seeds.
ಈಗ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ
Mangosteen.
Yes, mom, that's the electronic parking brakes I'm also using. Since it's the top variant, you will be not getting a hand brake, but you will be getting the electronic parking brake.
Before kami umuwi, mag-coconut juice muna tayo.
ನೀರಿದೆ ಗಂಜಿ ಇದೆ ಕೊಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಟು
Welcome. And ito yung mga nabili naming gulay. Before kami gumala, bumili muna kami ng mga gulay namin. Tapos hinatid namin dito sa bahay. Tapos bumalik ulit kami para sigurado na meron kami gulay sa bahay. Beetroot. Makanta yung anak namin. Meron kami mint leaves, coriander leaves, green chili, carrots, cabbage, lemon, cauliflower, eggplant. Uy, bumili din pala sa akin na oil. How much is this oil, Han? So cute ba?
2 I
At 2? Dalawa pala. Ah, okay. Oh no, it's not good. Okay, I can cook this. Ito yung elephant's food. Paborito ng Aki. Tapos eggplant and green peas. Nasa baba. Mamaya ko na yan i-arrange. Gusto ko kasing gumawa ng bel puri. Kasi doon sa labas, puro bel puri yung mga snacks na binibenta nila. So ako, gagawa ako ng aking sariling bel puri dito sa bahay. Meron akong carrots, onion, and chutney. Yung gagawin natin. Did you wash your hands? Wash your hands, Danay Mimi.
I am a naughty kitten.
Oh no.
Meow.
Naughty kitten, please wash your hands first.
Meow.
Do you want to eat, Mimi? No? You don't want bel puri? he's cooking for dinner. Green peas.
And oil-free cooking, so with zero oil cooking.
So, hindi siya gumamit ng mantika. He is trying now oil-free cooking.
Zero oil.
Zero oil. So, we'll see ano yung kalalabasan nito. And rice?
Pair this with chapati.
Okay. The chapati. Cooking is done.
Yeah.
Here's our ulam. This is green peas. Then he has added tomato.
Potato, little bit.
Potato, and coriander leaves.
Yes, done.
So, success. Yung oil-free cooking.
Yeah, not even a single drop of oil I have used.
Yeah. Meron na din kaming chapati dito. Ayan. Early dinner kami guys kasi alas ano pa lang. 5:27. Super early dinner. Hindi maganda yung gala namin kanina kasi sobrang init. Sumakit yung ulo ko. Usually kasi yung labas namin is either umaga or hapon, paggabi. Kaninang umaga. Ang init. It's good, Daddy. Daddy, I like Daddy's food so much.
I like my baby food.
So good.
Mommy,
Do you know the green peas is so sweet?
I like baby food.
Is it?
Yeah.
So good, huh?
Mommy, I am a big girl, so I eat big girl's food. French fries and chocolate.
No.
Mommy, Daddy, Auntie Sophie, Lula, Lulu.
Okay, acting you want.
Ah, acting you want.
Okay,
Okay.
now you are
If you don't want, give me what I want. You want acting. Okay.
now you are Afra man.
Eat food.
Now you are mommy.
Mommy. What mommy is doing? Cooking.
Daddy.
Baby.
What daddy is saying?
Baby.
Is it? What else daddy is saying?
Mommy.
Right. Lilinis lang si daddy. Ipapakita ko sa inyo guys. Tingnan niyo yung aming garden dito.
Golden.
Meron na naman akong tinanim na tomato. Tapos meron ng bunga. 6 tomatoes. How many tomatoes do we have? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5, 6. It's 6. There's one baby tomato.
Nice plant.
Nice plant.
Where you bought this?
No, I just put it there. Dito kami sa mall. Hypermarket.
Mommy,
Kasi paubos na yung oats ni Mishka. No, that is for baby kids cereal. This one. Ito lang naman yung binili namin doon guys. Yung mga kailangan lang talaga namin. Salt. Paubos na yung salt namin. Oats. Dishwashing liquid. Peanut and dal. Yan lang naman yung nabili namin.
what is that?
Salt. Pink salt. May nilagay yan siya sa basket namin. Tapos hindi namin binayaran.
Pink salt.
No, it's not for eating. Hinanda pa muna ni Abhi yung aming peanut. Roasted peanut. Kasi anytime pwede mo siyang gawing snacks or peanut chutney. Ito yung ginagawa niya palagi kapag meron kaming peanut. Niro-roast niya na.
We are really disciplined in not buying snacks and junk.
Yeah. Matagal na. Parang ilang months.
Sometimes something we are buying. But now we have stopped.
Hindi na tayo kami bumibili ng mga packed na mga snacks. It's okay if we are preparing it at home.
Yeah.
We are eating snacks, we're eating samosa,
We know-
momos, but
we know
we are
what we are
preparing. Yeah, preparing it at home. And pani puri also.
Yeah.
Good night, everyone. Sing the best one.
Please don't forget to, what is this? What?
Please forget. Press on the button.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe.
Good night.
Good